Hey everyone, Nick Bates here, and in today's video, I would like to show you some tips and tricks for searching by ID in version 13. To get started, if you go up to the header and you click on this search bar and begin to type, it should automatically bring up your search by ID. Now, of course, you can click this icon to list all. As you begin to type, it will minimize what you are looking at. And then, of course, you double click and it takes you to that asset. Now, in order to turn on the feature of when you begin typing in this bar right here to automatically bring up this search window, you'll need to go over to where this A is located and make sure that it is highlighted. That will activate that feature for you. Now, if you turn that feature off, you would have to type in the exact ID and hit enter, and then it would execute the search. We can also hit this little magnifying glass, and that will also bring up your search by ID. Now, some of you might be wondering why I can't leave the page, and when I come in fresh and just begin typing, I'm typing right now, that it does not automatically bring up your search window. The way to turn this feature off is simply right click on the equipment view screen, go to customize, and in your tree, there is something called search. And I'm going to go over to this right-hand side and type in search, and there it is. And now I just simply highlight it, drag it, and drop it wherever I want. And I'm going to put it right here. And now we have this search feature that's in the header also in the equipment view kind of section right here. And what that allows us to do is when we leave the page and you come into the equipment view screen fresh, you'll notice that the cursor automatically defaults to this search. So as I begin to type, it will automatically bring up this search by ID. So again, I leave the page, I come in, immediately when I start typing, it'll bring the search by ID dialog up. Now the final feature is one that we've had for a really long time, and that one is going to be Alt 1. So if we go over here and highlight over searching by ID, you'll see that it says Alt 1. Now, of course, you can go up to search by search and reports, click on ID, and it'll launch the same thing, but Alt 1 still works. And when you click Alt 1, you will be bringing up your search like this. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed learning some tips about searching by ID, and I will catch you in the next video.